In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and cinematic opening where the screen opens from two sides and reveals your video in a balanced and dramatic way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the opening feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Double Open, then apply it. Once applied, the screen splits and opens from both sides, revealing the video with a symmetrical and professional look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the panels open. Shorter duration makes the reveal sharp and direct. Longer duration slows it down, adding cinematic weight. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the opening feels smooth and controlled. And that's it. You've successfully added a double open reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.